And you want to start out with toasting some bread in the oven. And I mean good bread. Let me turn the heat down now on my fish. I mean good bread, not spongy bread. You see, this is good bread, homemade bread. And we're going to make a very quick bruschetta. And let me show you how that goes. First of all, you need some garlic. Now there's garlic, and look at this nifty little gadget. Who hasn't struggled with taking papers off of garlic? I wish I had invented this thing, because if you just roll like this, what happens is you take those papers right off, and you have an absolutely wonderful looking, clean clove of garlic. So now that you have the garlic, what you do is you use the bread as a grater. You see, just like that. Rub the bread with the garlic. See? And you notice how that garlic is absolutely being embedded now in the bread slices. So you want to do a whole tray like this. This is true garlic bread. Okay, then after you've done that, well, then you have to make Lorenza's mother oil. And that's very quick. To do it, she takes some chopped up green onion and puts it in a jar. I need a wider mouth jar, but you know, in the kitchen you have to improvise. Then she uses some juniper berries. This has a very woodsy flavor, and you want to smash some of them up and put some in whole. If it goes on the counter, so what? This is the kitchen. Then you want to give it a little hotness. So you want to put in, a couple of hot red peppers like this, or you could put in the flakes like that. Then you get out your extra virgin olive oil and you fill up your jar. Then this is something that you have in your pantry as a staple to use in a number of ways. You can use this to season not only your bruschetta, but you can use it in cooking for meats and fish and what else. Then you can give it some salt and pepper, cap the jar, and let this marinate now. You want to let this sit around for a few days. Give it a couple good shakes, put it off to the side, and here's one that we did earlier. You see? I just keep it in a nice jar like this. Then when I'm ready to do the bruschetta, I can just take this and pour a nice little drizzle on each slice. You don't need a lot, just a little, because remember, the flavor of extra virgin olive oil is very intense, where you take and cut up some plum tomatoes. Then you sprinkle them with a little bit of fresh parsley, you see? And then you give that a little salt and pepper. You put a little garlic on with this too. Then you put a little bit of olive oil over the top.